G'day folks, it's Laura here, and today I'm going to do a flip cup pour. So I've got pale gold, fawn, smoked pearl, Pebeo's iridescent green yellow, sap green and titanium white. And I'll just be using my normal pouring medium here, and I have a video that I'll link to on how to make this if you're interested. Now with the Pebeo paint, the iridescent paint, it's quite a lot thicker than the Jo Sonja paints, and so I've actually just added a tiny amount of pouring medium, and I'll mix this up well before I add the remaining pouring medium. Just adding more pouring medium. Now I'm going to add some water to the Pebeo paint to make it a little bit less viscous. So now it's time to layer the cup, and I'm going to be using my standard cell activator for this, and I have a video that I'll link to on how to make this if you're interested. Just going to start with a generous layer on the bottom of the cup. Now I've already prepared my canvas, so on the back of my canvas I've got painter's tape as well as giant push pins. So now it's time to flip the cup. Just getting a little bit close to that edge, so I'm going to pull it down towards me. And I'm just going to get the remaining paint out of the cup to cover the edges and the corners. I like how these cells have come up in the center here. I am considering trying to push this edge off just a little bit so it's not quite so much of a bowl kind of curve here. I'm quite happy with this one. I think it's turned out to be quite subtle in terms of the colors and the tones. In this one I'm particularly liking this really subtle kind of semi-lacing effect that's happening up here, and I'm loving all of these cells that have come up.